In this video, you'll learn how to enable Pro Search in Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will unlock advanced search capabilities to enhance your experience. Begin by navigating to the Perplexity AI website. Once the page loads, look for the option to subscribe to Perplexity Pro. This feature may be prominently displayed on the homepage, making it easy to locate. After subscribing, you will need to log in with your Pro account. Click on the login button typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, then click sign in to access your Pro account. Once logged in, you can initiate a search. Pro Search is generally automatic, meaning that as soon as you start typing in the search box, the advanced functionality should activate seamlessly. Observe the search results as they populate the screen. If you want to ensure Pro Search is enabled, check for a toggle option located near the search box. This toggle allows you to activate or deactivate Pro Search as needed. If the toggle is visible, you can click it to switch Pro Search on for deeper and more refined results. After adjusting the settings, perform another search to see the enhanced results. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your query, the results may take a moment to load. If you experience delays, consider checking your connection for optimal performance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.